Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Reels feature in Instagram. So let's begin. Open Instagram and swipe right side of the Instagram. You see interface like this. Then you will see a story button. Right side of the story button you will see Reels feature. Just tap on it. After that you have to record the video. From here you can select any song whatever you want. I am selected the song NCS song Fearless. Now you can record video, and if you want to filter the video, just tap here and filter the video by selecting the different types of filter. This function is for speed up or for slow down the video as per you. Basically change the speed of video. And the last one is timer of the video. If you set any specific time for video, that video automatically stop as per the timer set by you. So I'm going to upload my recorded video. So see how to upload a video through Reels feature. So I selected this video and just next and filter the video, and I selected the and I'm now going to upload the video. So just like this you can upload any video. I hope you all enjoy the video. So like, share and comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get further updates.